Prepare yourself for the adventure of a lifetime.
Yeah, no, we're not doing this.
Wait, no,
we're
this is
taking
my thing.
over. Who gives an actual fuck?
show failed.
Bye. Hello, I'm Chadwick Schwartz, and this is my co-host, Mason O'Thompson.
And now I'm taking over. Hey. I am Adrian Watkins, CEO of Psycho TV, and now the creator of the 8-Bit Podcast. Today I came here to announce that production on the pilot has officially completed, and we're releasing it July 24th. Me and the team are really excited to share this with you, and we just want to thank you for all the support and patience that we have gotten during development of this. This isn't possible without any of you guys. All the support gave me the confidence to do this.